Brewing pure single origin tea is a quiet act of respect. Without bags or barriers, whole leaves can open fully, releasing the layered aroma, texture, and character shaped by their terroir. In this simple step-by-step brew, you'll see how each leaf unfurls with clarity and purpose. This is why I advocate for open brewing. Nothing to confine the craftsmanship or diminish the experience. A thoughtful ritual steeped with intention for a more authentic cup. Part of my professional brewing series. Visit www.cultivatetaste.com store to order and visit our paid Substack at Cultivate Taste TA to get in-depth knowledge about tea.